Aquatic invasive species are a rapidly growing concern throughout the world due in part to their negative effects on the ecology of the local water bodies and their economic impact. A famous aquatic invasive species, zebra mussels, can filter plankton and algae at a rate of 1 liter of water per day, while also being as densely populated as 700,000 individuals per square meter. This density and the speed at which their population can grow allows them to significantly alter normal ecology of a water body. Economically, species such as curly pondweed can be so dense as to foul up boat motors, inhibiting recreational opportunities. Other species, such as zebra mussels, can cover docks and clog up water pipes, leading to costly repairs. Removal of these invasive species is difficult, expensive, and often impossible once they establish. Hello, I'm Joe Salvati. Given all these concerns with aquatic invasive species, education can be our greatest tool for slowing the spread. In 2023, South Dakota Game Fish and Parks, South Dakota State University, and South Dakota State University Extension and 4-H partnered to create the Aquatic Invasive Species Middle School Curriculum and Activity Guide. The focus of this curriculum is understanding aquatic invasive species, their effect on the natural world, and what is being done to manage these species, and what you can do to slow the spread. The curriculum walks you through 5 engaging lessons that can be used as a series or independently. Each lesson focuses on science standards while weaving in other appropriate South Dakota math, language arts, fine arts, social studies, and ed tech standards to create a holistic, cross-curricular learning experience for students. Lessons are equipped with background information as well as relevant vocabulary to help teachers equipped for the educational experience. Along with this, hands-on activities are detailed and designed to engage all types of students. Each lesson ends with a wrap-up and reflection portion to extend learning outside of the classroom. Game Fish and Parks, South Dakota State University, South Dakota State University Extension and 4-H are proud to be able to offer this unique curriculum along with resource videos free of charge. To download your copy of the curriculum and learn more, visit the link on the screen.